We have interesting weather this year in January. Yesterday we get some 10 centimeters of fresh snow, but today is plus degrees and we need waterproof boots. Dabini. I can't say that I'm enjoying this kind of weather. Yeah, my clothes are wet. All around is wet. It's raining again. Hello, me, yes. Yeah, but I love to live close to nature, and this is how it is to live close to the nature. And what is good about weather, then it will change again. And after some days, it will be different. Yeah, it's not easy to start to talk here because other animals also want to talk when I'm starting. Now the chickens are talking loudly. Maybe you can hear. Maybe they laid some egg. When it's wet for a longer time, it's like raining and plus degrees, snow is melting. The dogs also are wet, and inside the dog houses the straw also becomes wet. So time to time I change it. Usually I let dogs run free while I'm doing it, but I can't do it now if I'm filming because I'm afraid that dogs will damage my camera. So yeah, that's why dogs in this video will not run around and help me. Nu, super bija, vai ne? Eju, labrīt! Labrīt, maziņie! Raivis is milking goats, so we will have some milk today. Modiņa, to nē. Uh-oh.
Tā ir tā, kožu pirkstos tagad.
Show me how much we have for coffee. I'm cheating. I'm using Raivis footsteps. And he don't like it, I think.
Oi, oi. Šies te mājās nevajag, vai ne?
Yeah, in the bushes they get something like this. Meklē, Raivi! Chester, meklē! Kela, meklē! Raivis is hiding from dogs. We like to play this game with them. When they run somewhere, we hide. Meklē, meklē! Keilu, Chester! Kur Raivis meklē? Raivi, help them! Vēl palīdz, viņa nesaprot.
Tā beidzot! Tā beidzot! Para klub slāptu, jāčekē, nu!
This time it wasn't easy to find. Nemeklē, Raivi!
Kā veļas, kā veļas.
Raivis just left with 4 dogs with kick sled. You can see how the road looks like, and this kick sled is very light and unstable, so I don't go with 4 dogs. Raivis is more stronger, and yeah, he just run beside the kick sled and jump on, and yeah, he's just strong. So I'm waiting for better conditions. But I know then I need to become more stronger and try out also not so perfect condition, because it's not often we have like that, and but I need to be ready that I will fall and it will hurt because it's like icy and sometimes it's hard surface, so yeah, maybe later. I will go to check how the road looks like after 1 kilometer. There is bigger road, and usually they clean it earlier than our road. And I wanted also to explain that we are living in that kind of region where the forests are very wet. And usually we don't have so much snow, then the snow would cover the ground, and this this uneven surface, and so we can go here with dogs just on the road. So we are, so we have a pretty good road system here. Here is a big area of forest which owns Latvian government. So we are using these roads, and here is very small traffic. So yeah, we don't use roads where is a lot of traffic and cars are going in big speed. So this area in a way is very good for us, for dogs, to run with dogs. It's quiet. Not many people are living here. So yeah, it's nice. So this is how the road looks like after 1 kilometer from our house. And Raivis went to that direction, and I will wait for him.
Hey, get him, get him. Get him, get him.
Hi. Get him. Ei. Baga. Saat viņa ķerējāt. Keilu. No. Ai, čus turim kādu paņem. Nu, beidz Maja.
Get him. Gotowi? Ja. Ajde. Молодцы. Gotowi? Ja. Ajde, молодцы.
This kind of weather, when we have some plus degrees during the day and minus degrees, like some minus 2, 1, 2 degrees during the night, it's about some 2 weeks, and I think then it will continue to be like that for some period. So this January and February is pretty much like wet winter, but yeah, it is like it is. So I wasn't brave enough today to drive with dogs in this kind of condition. Yeah, because I'm feeling like if something would happen with me or I would get some injury, then yeah, I need to take care of dogs and other animals, and yeah, when I have this feeling, I just don't go. And but I try to take the best from each situation in which I am. So I will edit a new video today and you will be able to see it soon. And I have some stuff, some clothes to repair. My pants have so big holes, so yeah, I will fix them, so I will be able to go outside again. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon again.